I got something for you today. This is Hans the Ramen Raider with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And yeah, I got something for you chili heads out there today. Oh, we need music. We need our theme music. Yeah. There we go. Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something spicy. And it is about to get all up in your beers. It's from South Korea, a name you all know, love, and trust. This is Samyang Foods. This is their Buldak Ramen Topokki, aka this is Buldak Rabaki, yo. And not only it's complete. There's like more than just ramen here. There's tteokbokki. So that being said, everything is in Korean. They were nice enough to send English cooking instructions for the Buldak Ramen Topokki. 500 waters is boiling. We got the noodles and the rest of the ingredients. Took 5 to 6 minutes. So, all right. So we put the noodles. Here's the noodles. A perfect noodle block. Here's the tteokbokki. Okay. One thing you're going to notice, you want to make sure to not add in, that's not a seasoning, that is desiccant. But once you remove that, you are good to go. It looks like there's only one. Here's that going in. And then you literally add everything else. Here's a sachet full of, what do you call it? Flake? Flake? Drop that in. And there's one. Going in there. You ready for this? Here's the second one. There's 2 of them. They don't want to skimp on the spicy. There's a lot of food in this. It says it's 2 servings. Although, I don't know, I'm really confused by the calorie thing on the side, you know, I'm like all up in that kind of thing. But, yeah, and 5 to 6 minutes, so we'll do 5 since it's been in there for a minute or so. And we'll just stir it up. So what's new with you? I've been walking. That's what's new with me. I didn't do any reviews last week, and you'll probably know why at this point. I did the new Top 10 Instant Noodles of All Time 2019 edition. Recorded the video, edited the video. Actually, as it is this moment on April 2nd. On April 2nd, I've still got to actually do up the post, but other than that, pretty good. Video done and ready to upload, so gonna be some surprises this year. I think everybody's gonna be pleased. If you're not, then I don't know. I'm sorry. It's hard to please everybody, I guess. Man, I am beat. Just beat dead tired. I still want to walk 2 more miles. But yeah, it's hard. I'll tell you what, it's hard to get motivated. But I guess once I did, it was just like, that was it. I had to keep going. I've just been like walking a little bit further every time, but I'm like out of places to walk to. I'm doing like extra loops around things. It's kind of redundant. But me and the missus were commiserating this morning, and we were looking at the possibility of moving. It'd be nice. We definitely could use some more space. And the kitchen I saw, and this one that she found, boy oh boy. Yeah. My God, there might even be a rack in the freezer. Oh. I don't know why. Last 2? 3? Yeah. Last 3 apartments. Ever since we moved in together and found an apartment together. First one. No freaking racks in the freezer. It's like, so you're just supposed to throw everything in there just in a big pile. A load of crap. I don't get it. It's like, come on. And the amount that these places charge for rent is disgusting. And then they'll, you know, gussy up their logo. There's a fine apartment home. Come home and feel welcome at your home. And home and love and happiness. And come hang out in our cabana. It's just like, dude, this isn't a resort. As much as you want to play that, it just ain't. But it's not bad. But I think anywhere you go, you're going to have the people who, like, at 3 in the morning go out in the street and start screaming at each other. Right? Isn't that the deal? We don't tend to do that. Our kids will do that. But, yeah, there was like a long-winded... Up yours, dude. No, dude, up yours. Whoa, okay. Up both of yours. You're being noisy. But, yeah. I don't know, it's kind of fun. Because it's like, my wife was saying, it's just like, God, it just sounded so dramatic. And I'm like, yeah, but think of like when we've argued, if one of us, I mean, if we were listening to it, we'd probably say the same thing. But if one of us told each other, you know, we're being really dramatic, probably one of us would sock the other, so. I don't know. I think this is done. Let me see that. Come on. Come on, legs. Let's see, can you see that? You gotta be able to see. Yeah, there you go. Wow. So here's the noodle. Thick noodle. It said something about having more potato starch, making it extra chewy. That's cool. Give this a try. Yep, hot and spicy. That, ladies and gentlemen, is what topokki looks like. Where did you go, you ask? Oh, it went back on the heat. It needs some things thrown in. This is fried tofu. 3 pieces. Whoop, get back in. Mung bean sprouts. They mentioned ham, so I got some ham. And then I'm gonna do spring onion. You getting hungry out there, maybe? You want some spicy tteokbokki Korean instant noodles? No? Okay. So we got it all in here, giving it a nice stir. Now they mentioned ham, onion. They mentioned cheese. Yeah, I think that's going to be a requirement. I've got an egg here. I've got smaller green onion. Got a cheese. Give it one last really good rotation. See if you can see that. Yeah, you can see that pretty well. Alright, so. Woo, tteokbokki. Man, I love that stuff. Look at that. Now we're talking, folks. Obi doobie. Got some egg. I actually hard boiled this, like, in the pot. Just like hard boiling an egg. It was a nightmare. I'm horrible at hard boiling eggs. The sooner I just leave it to the egglets and the other stuff and not try doing that ever again, the better. I swear. There's some cheese. Right there. It's going to take a minute for that to kind of melt it. Spring onion. I don't know if you can hear Miri out there. She's on the, they got Kindles. And it's been kind of a battle. It's like, I really like the fact that they have fun with them and all that, but like, no, the Legos haven't been destroyed. Neither is the kitchen or the living room. It's like, what's going on here? But found a balance. Well, there's tofu in here. I threw it in myself. I don't see it. Alright, you ready? Find some better tunes. Ready? 1, 2. Yeah! Where'd my drink go? I drank it. All right, well. Looks good to me. Let me know what you think. But yeah, this is a product. It's got the tteokbokki. It's got the ramen. Everything. So, and then you just go, there you go. Alright, well hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. I'm signing off for today, but I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.